So it's really snowy out, and I decided I wanted to go for a car ride because I've been bundled up in the house for a bit. And so I went and brought Mom a coffee. I was only gone for like 45 minutes. Then I get home. What'd you do? Yep. TJ looks like he had a little bit of fun. Hey Dexter, you didn't do it, did you? It was you. What'd you do? That's bad. What did you do? Look at that. That's bad. See this? Look at that. That's bad. That's bad boy. You know you're bad. Bad boy. What a brat. Now I have to clean it all up.